Are you someone who just started learning UI UX design? Well, if you are, then this video is just for you. As a beginner designer, I have made many mistakes, and I don't want you to make the same mistakes. Hi, my name is Ankit. I'm a 22 years old self-taught designer, and I create content on UI UX design. In this video, I will be sharing with you that 5 mistakes I did as a beginner UI UX designer. So let's jump right into it. Mistake number 1. Not learning the basics. When I was working part-time in my college, all I knew was how to use design software such as Photoshop and Adobe XD. But that was the biggest mistake. To design something, you should have knowledge of both UI as well as UX principles. With the UX knowledge, you can understand your users and create a better experience for them. With the UI knowledge, you can create an amazing interface so that the user can navigate in it without any problem. So start right now. Get your notebooks ready and start making notes and learning basics of UI UX design. Mistake number 2. Not understanding the user. Whenever you are designing, set your users or customers. At the end of the day, they are the only one who is going to use your product. What I did was, I started to design considering myself as the user. You are not the user, you are the designer. So go out and find someone whom you think can be a perfect match for a user. Interview them and learn about their needs and pain points. So keep your users your priority while designing. Mistake number 3. Not sketching and wireframing. I never used to do wireframing and sketching when I first started designing. I used to open Figma and just move stuff here and there. The first issue that I faced was that I was not able to think of what I should do on a blank canvas on Figma, which led me to waste a lot of time, and the designs were really bad. The proper method to design should be in this way only. First, sketch on paper what you will be designing and what components and elements there will be so that you don't forget anything. And have an idea of the placement of the elements that will be there. Mistake number 4. Completing work fast. Stop thinking that if you will create 10 designs in 1 hour, you will be a great designer. I used to think I should increase my speed and complete all the designs in 1 day. Great designs take time, and you should look at every small detail so that your design will be amazing. Design can be as simple as possible, but you should focus on details to make it an outstanding design. Mistake number 5. Working within yourself. While creating case studies, I used to set fake data, like not interviewing people and just imagining answers. I used to carry out the case study with fake data, and it is not going to help you solve the problem. Instead, create a form to get users' answers, meet people in person and interview them. Never use fake data to create a case study. Have original data to know what your users need. So did you find it helpful? If yes, then go hit the like button. Let me know what videos can be helpful for you in the comment sections. Subscribe to the channel and see you till next time.